Do you love playing mobile games? Imagine getting rewarded for your passion. Many people dream of turning their gaming hobby into a source of income. Now, with the rise of rewarding apps, this dream is becoming a reality for many. Juicy Jelly is one such app, offering a fun and easy way to earn money by playing mobile games. Juicy Jelly is a free mobile app that brings a world of fun and rewards right to your fingertips. Imagine being able to earn exciting rewards just by playing your favorite games. This app lets users earn rewards by playing games, making your gaming experience not only entertaining, but also rewarding. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, Juicy Jelly has something for everyone. With over 500,000 downloads, Juicy Jelly has quickly become a popular choice for gamers around the world. Its growing community is a testament to its engaging and rewarding nature. The app boasts an impressive 4.3-star rating from over 9,520 reviews, reflecting the satisfaction of its users. These reviews highlight the app's seamless performance and the joy it brings to its users. A testament to its user-friendly interface and rewarding system, it ensures that even new users can easily navigate and start earning rewards. The app's design is intuitive, making it accessible to users of all ages. Juicy Jelly offers a wide variety of games to choose from, catering to different tastes and preferences. From puzzle games to action-packed adventures, there's something for everyone. Ensuring there's something for everyone, Juicy Jelly brings together a diverse community of gamers. Whether you're looking to relax with a simple game or challenge yourself with something more complex, Juicy Jelly has got you covered. Join the fun and start earning your sweet rewards today. Juicy Jelly operates on a simple and rewarding ticket system. Playing games earns you tickets, which can then be used to enter prize draws. The more you play, the more tickets you earn, increasing your chances of winning. Prizes range from gift cards to popular online retailers to cash rewards via PayPal. Section 4. Play anytime, anywhere you're gaming, your rewards. One of the biggest advantages of Juicy Jelly is its flexibility. Imagine being able to dive into your favorite game no matter where you are, whether you're waiting for a friend at a coffee shop, commuting to work, or simply enjoying a sunny day in the park. Juicy Jelly is there with you. You can play games and earn rewards anytime, anywhere, as long as you have your phone. The convenience of Juicy Jelly means that your gaming experience is no longer confined to your living room or bedroom. It's a portable adventure that fits right into your pocket. Whether you have a few minutes to spare on your commute or want to relax at home, Juicy Jelly adapts to your lifestyle. It's perfect for those quick gaming sessions during a break or for unwinding after a long day. The game is designed to be as flexible as you are. Juicy Jelly makes it easy to earn rewards while doing what you love. Every moment spent playing is an opportunity to gain points, unlock achievements, and enjoy the satisfaction of progress. So, whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated player, Juicy Jelly ensures that your time is always well spent. Dive into the world of Juicy Jelly and let the rewards come to you wherever you are. Section 5. Join the Juicy Jelly community. Start earning today. Are you a gaming enthusiast who spends hours playing mobile games? What if we told you that you could turn those hours into a profitable venture? Yes, you heard it right. With Juicy Jelly, you can start earning rewards just by playing the games you love. Ready to turn your gaming passion into profit? Imagine getting rewarded for every level you complete, every achievement you unlock, and every challenge you conquer. Juicy Jelly makes it possible for you to earn while you play. It's not just about fun anymore, it's about fun with benefits. Download Juicy Jelly today and start earning rewards for playing your favorite mobile games. The process is simple and quick. Just download the app, sign up, and start playing. The more you play, the more you earn. It's that easy. Plus, the app is packed with features that enhance your gaming experience. Share your experience with other users and discover new games to play. Join a community of like-minded gamers who are also earning while they play. Exchange tips, share your achievements, and find new games that you might not have discovered otherwise. The Juicy Jelly community is vibrant and always buzzing with activity. Have you tried Juicy Jelly? If not, what are you waiting for? Dive into a world where gaming meets earning. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy your favorite pastime and get rewarded for it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We value your feedback and are always looking to improve. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and tips on making money online. Follow us for the latest videos and never miss out on a chance to boost your earnings. Happy gaming and happy earning with Juicy Jelly.